Welcome back guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp and this video is going to be about the counter function in collections. So to start with, let's import random. So from random import rand int. Actually we don't need this, we will just import strings and I will show you what the counter function does in a minute. So let's get the string and create a random word is equal to string dot ASCII lowercase. We are just going to use the lowercase letters, and if I print random word, you will see all the lowercase letters in strings. So let me remove that, and we have these. So these should be letters, not word. So letters is going to be this. So for I in range, let's create a 15 length word. Word needs to be defined. So word plus equal to, we actually need random. So from random import choice, and we will choose one of the random letters from our letter string, which is over here. So if I do a print word now, you will see a random word that is being generated every time we run this. Now this is good. And what does this has to do with counter? Well, I will show you right now. If I do a counter and I pass in the word, remember this is a function from the module collections. So if I call the function counter and I'm passing in a word, and let's also print out the word so we see what we are dealing with. So if I run this now, you will see a random word, but what you also see is a counter which has a dictionary of the letters and some numbers after it. So the first one that I see is F. So I see the F has the number 3. Now if I look at the word, why does F has the number 3? Because if you notice, the letter F has came in 3 times. The same goes for letter O. We have 2 letter O's. We have we actually have 2 letter C. We have 2 letter D. We have 1 letter V. So what this is doing is calculating the number of occurrences of a letter in a word. And that is the magic of counter. What it does is you give a random string. Let's make this as 25. And it's going to give us the occurrences without you having to write out this program. And when you do this, let's do answer is equal to counter of word. And when I do answer dot, you will see there are other options in here. There's copy, subtract, update, but all we are going to do, let's do elements and see what we get. So if I do this, you will see that it is a chain object. So for I in answer dot elements print I, let's see what this gives. And these it's just giving each letter one by one, so we don't need that. So let's do print answer dot most common, and it says self and n. So if I do most common and I run this, it is going to give me the same dictionary that we had. But if I put the number 1, what this gives is the number of letters that has came in the most number of times. So there's only one, which is the most common one, which is the letter Y. And if I do a print answer, you will see all of these values. So we'll see the counter n equal to 4 has only came in once, and it is the most common one. So what happens if I do 2? If I run this now, there's 2 letters that has come in 3 times, which is the most common one. So that is why this time the list has 2 elements. If I do 3, it's going to give me 3 elements which has the top 3 actually. So it is giving me the top 3. if I do 4, it will give me the top 4 elements and vice versa. So if you do 1, you will see the most common letter which is coming in, which is going to be I. And that is it. It can be pretty useful when you're using counter. You can make good use of it. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. We created a random word and then we created a dictionary using counter, which calculates the number of occurrences of the letters in the word, and then we print out the most common letters, which can be changed to like the 2 most common ones or the 3 most common ones. So that's it, guys. I hope you learned something new, and I will see you guys in the next video.